Here's a new 2025 Subaru Ascent. It's for all the places you need to go and things you need to do with all the people you need along. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Intercooled turbo H4 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, steering assist cruise control, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, streaming audio, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Live in the moment and love every minute in your Subaru. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.